Greetings, fellow travelers. Welcome to a journey that transcends time and space. For millennia, humanity has gazed upon the cosmos with wonder and curiosity, seeking to understand our place in the universe. The twinkling stars, the distant planets, the vast expanse of space have always beckoned us to explore the unknown, to push the boundaries of our knowledge. Today, we embark on a journey through our cosmic backyard, our solar system, a place of awe-inspiring beauty and mind-boggling phenomena. Each planet, each moon, holds secrets waiting to be discovered. Prepare to have your minds blown wide open as we uncover some of the most incredible facts about our celestial neighbors. From the smallest asteroid to the largest gas giant, every object has a story to tell. From the scorching heat of the Sun to the icy depths of Neptune, each celestial body presents unique challenges and wonders. We'll traverse billions of miles, unraveling the mysteries of our cosmic neighborhood and gaining a deeper appreciation for the universe we call home. So, fasten your seatbelts, get ready for an exhilarating ride through the cosmos, and let the adventure begin. Together, we'll explore the final frontier and beyond. Saturn, the majestic ringed giant, has captivated astronomers for centuries. Its beauty and mystery have inspired countless hours of observation and study, drawing the gaze of both professional astronomers and amateur stargazers alike. Its intricate ring system, visible even with a small telescope, is a celestial ballet of ice and rock, a breathtaking spectacle that sparks our imagination. These rings, with their delicate structure and shimmering appearance, have been a source of wonder and curiosity. But what are these rings made of? For a long time, the composition of Saturn's rings remained a mystery. Theories abounded, but concrete evidence was elusive. Early astronomers, limited by the technology of their time, could only speculate about the nature of these shimmering bands. Their telescopes, though groundbreaking for their era, lacked the resolution to reveal the true nature of the rings. Some imagined them to be solid disks, while others theorized they were composed of gas or dust. These early theories, while imaginative, were far from the truth. It wasn't until the era of space exploration, with the advent of powerful telescopes and robotic probes, that we began to unravel the secrets of Saturn's rings. These technological advancements opened up new possibilities for discovery. The Pioneer and Voyager spacecraft, our emissaries to the outer solar system, provided the first close-up glimpses of these enigmatic structures. Their journeys through the vastness of space brought us closer to understanding Saturn. The images beamed back to Earth were nothing short of astonishing. They revealed a level of detail that had never been seen before, transforming our understanding of the rings. Saturn's rings, once thought to be smooth and uniform, were revealed to be composed of countless individual particles, each one a tiny moonlet in its own right, ranging in size from grains of sand to houses. This discovery was a revelation, showing the complexity and diversity of the ring system. But the real breakthrough came when scientists analyzed the light reflected off the rings. This analysis provided crucial insights into the composition of the ring particles. By studying the spectrum of this light, they were able to determine the chemical composition of the ring particles. This method, known as spectroscopy, allowed scientists to identify the materials that make up the rings. And what they found was surprising. Saturn's rings are made up almost entirely of water ice. This discovery was unexpected and changed our understanding of the rings' formation and evolution. Yes, you heard that right. The same stuff that makes up snowflakes and glaciers here on Earth. This connection between the rings and familiar forms of ice on our planet is both fascinating and humbling. Over 90% of the material in Saturn's rings is frozen water, with trace amounts of rock and dust mixed in. This composition suggests a common origin with other icy bodies in the solar system. This discovery revolutionized our understanding of these iconic rings, painting a picture of a dynamic and ever-changing system. The rings are not static. They are constantly influenced by various forces. But how did so much water ice end up orbiting Saturn? This question has intrigued scientists and led to further investigations into the planet's history. The answer likely lies in the planet's distant past, in the chaotic early days of the solar system. During this time, the solar system was a turbulent place, with frequent collisions and interactions between forming bodies. Billions of years ago, when the planets were still forming, the region around Saturn was a much more crowded place. Icy bodies, remnants from the solar system's formation, were abundant. Countless icy bodies, remnants from the solar system's formation, orbited the young gas giant. These objects were the building blocks of the rings we see today. Over time, gravitational interactions between these icy objects and Saturn's powerful gravity caused many of them to break apart, their shattered remains forming the rings we see today. This process was gradual and complex, involving numerous collisions and disruptions. The water ice in Saturn's rings is constantly being bombarded by micrometeoroids and charged particles from the Sun. These impacts contribute to the ongoing evolution of the rings. This bombardment, along with the gravitational forces at play, keeps the rings dynamic and ever-evolving. The rings are a living system, continuously shaped by external influences. Imagine for a moment being able to witness this cosmic dance up close, to see the intricate movements of the particles and the interplay of light and shadow, to float among the icy particles, to see sunlight glinting off their surfaces, to hear the faint whispers of their collisions. This experience would be a profound reminder of the beauty and complexity of the universe. Saturn's rings are a testament to the power of gravity, the beauty of the cosmos, and the endless capacity of the universe to surprise us. They are a symbol of the intricate and interconnected nature of the cosmos. They remind us that even in the coldest, most distant reaches of our solar system, water, the elixir of life, can be found in the most unexpected of places. This discovery encourages us to continue exploring and seeking knowledge, as there is always more to learn and uncover. As we conclude our brief sojourn through the solar system, let the wonders we've uncovered ignite a fire within you, a thirst for knowledge, and a desire to explore the universe around us. Each planet, each moon, and every celestial body holds secrets that beckon us to uncover them, to understand their stories and their place in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. Our journey today has only scratched the surface of the cosmic ocean, but it has revealed to us the boundless beauty and wonder that lie hidden within our own celestial neighborhood. The vastness of space is a reminder of how much more there is to discover, how many more adventures await us among the stars. From the icy rings of Saturn, which shimmer like a cosmic jewel, to the volcanic plains of Mars, where ancient landscapes tell tales of a fiery past, our solar system is a tapestry woven with threads of awe and inspiration. Each celestial body, with its unique characteristics, adds to the rich and diverse story of our cosmic home. So, keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never lose your sense of wonder. The night sky is a canvas of endless possibilities, inviting us to dream and to seek answers. For the cosmos is vast and full of mysteries, waiting for us to unravel them. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding our place in the universe, and the journey is as infinite as the stars themselves.